Let me show you around the office, explain to you how it works. In here, you have a bunch of meeting rooms, one of which is this one. We'll be using it later. Which is quite nice. But here, I use this room when I want to explain very complex things. Well, I need TV, I need a board, I need all type of assistance in order to make ideas clear. Okay, let's go back to business. I'll explain to you a bunch of videos, a bunch of stuff, a bunch of concepts about PSD2 finance. And here we are. Hello everyone, thank you for joining. My name is Amin, I'm a fintech entrepreneur. In previous videos, we have spoken about the app segment, the infrastructure segment, and the open banking segment, which is part of the infrastructure segment. Now, let's talk about PSD2. PSD2 is basically a law. And this law forces all financial institutions to share data regarding their customers if the customers allow it. This means that you, as a financial entrepreneur, you can acquire a customer, ask him if he can give you access to his financial information. You put a request via API into his financial institution, and they will give you all information around his spending behavior, around his bank account, and all the information they basically have about that customer. Huge opportunity for the fintech industry, because up until now, every single bank knew exactly when a customer got rich, when he got poor, when he didn't pay his debts, etc., etc. Now this information is accessible to fintechs if the customer approves the transmission of such information. PSD2 is a huge project here in Europe, and it's a project that will revolutionize the way financial applications and startups are able to leverage data that is today contained in the banking and the financial system in order to develop applications that are extremely user-friendly. So the question is, can you innovate using PSD2? Yes, you can, because not a lot of people are using this. Is quite new technology. It took a while for the financial sector to unify the API layer. Now they're almost there, and beyond that, today you have aggregators of data. That means one point of contact here, no need for several integrations, can get you all the data around the consumer that is based in the UK or Europe. This is huge, okay? This is where most of the innovation is gonna happen, the quick and dirty innovation. And it's an infrastructural layer, and it's important that you identify it as such, because this is something that will give you a competitive advantage if you know how to use it. We'll be going in depth with use cases in future videos, how you can use PSD2. As a matter of fact, my startup, we are currently exploring this layer very profoundly and finding some gaps which we will fill and add value to the consumer. Okay, so follow next videos. We'll be talking about the newer side of things in the fintech industry, which is the blockchain and the decentralized finance layer. Stay in touch, keep focused, and keep following so you understand exactly where you can make a difference in the fintech industry.